Hello all, welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome to the new video. So in this video we are going to discuss the Daily 5 Arithmetic series. So today I have taken the mixed arithmetic topics. So these are all SBI Clerk prelims level. So let's get started. A field in the shape of parallelogram and its adjacent sides are in the ratio of 3:4. The total cost of fencing this field at rupees 15 per centimeter is 4,200. So find the difference between the length of the adjacent sides of the parallelogram. So here they had given the adjacent sides of the parallelogram as 3:4, and this is the parallelogram where the opposite sides are parallel to each other. Okay. So next, the total cost of the fencing the field will be 15 centimeter. 15 rupees per centimeter. Okay, so here we know that the total fencing means the fence will be the fence is covered for the outer surface of the parallelogram. Okay, so we have to find the perimeter of the parallelogram, so that will be 2 into L plus P, and we know that so per centimeter they are paying 15 rupees. Okay, so 15 into the perimeter of the parallelogram, that is 2 into 3a plus 4a, and that will be equal to 4,200. Okay, then 30 into 7a will be equal to 4,200. So a will be equal to 140 divided by 7 and a is equal to 20. So and asked the difference between the length of the adjacent sides of the parallelogram. Okay, so the difference between the adjacent sides means 4a minus 3a, so that will be equal to a, and we know that the value of the a will be 20 centimeter. So next question. Length of the two trains P and Q are in the ratio 3:5 respectively. While moving in the opposite direction, train P crosses train Q in 7 seconds. If the sum of the speeds of both the trains is 32 meters per second, then find the length of the train P. So here we know that the ratio between the lengths of the two trains will be 3:5, and they are moving in opposite direction. So opposite direction means the speeds get added. So that is here the total distance, this is the time and this is the total distance and this is the total speed. Okay, so this is the relative speed since they are coming opposite sides. So and also they have mentioned the sum of the both the speeds will be 32 meter per second. So that's why I have written 32 meter per second, and since they are moving in opposite direction, as I earlier told, that will be equal to 8x divided by 32, and that will be equal to the time, that is total time, that is 7. So finally we will get the value of x as 28, and they asked the length of the train P. So the length of the train P will be 3 into x, that is 3 into 28. So that will be equal to 84 meters. Then next question. A alone started a business with an investment of rupees 8,000, and after X years, Q joins him with the investment of rupees 15,500, which is more than that of A. Means 1,500 more than that of A. Okay, so if out of the total profit for rupees 10,750, at the end of the 6 years, Q's share will be 4,750. So then what is the value for X? So here there are two people, that is A and Q. So A is going to invest 8,000 and it will invest for the 6 years. And the Q, which is whose investment is 1,500 more than that of A, means 8,000 plus 1,500, so that will be equal to 9,500, and this will invest for 6 minus X years, because it will invest after X years, means the total investment done by the Q will be 6 minus X years. Okay, so that will be equal to here they had given the share of Q, that is 4,750, and also we know that the total profit will be 10,750. So if I subtract this 4,750 from the 10,750, we will get 6,000, and finally we will get A by Q will be equal to 2 by 8, that is 1 by 4, but this 1 by 4 is equal to 1 divided by 6 minus X. So therefore X will be equal to 2. So next question. A alone can complete a piece of work in 52 days, while B can complete the same work in 65 days. So A, B together start working, and after a few days C also joined them, and thus they completed the whole work in 26 days. If all of them were paid a total of rupees 8400, then what is the share of C? So here we know that A can complete the entire work in 52 days, B can complete the entire work in 65 days. Okay, and also if C join with the A and B, so all of them will complete the work in 26 days. So let's take the LCM of that. We will get the total work. So that is 260. So the individual efficiencies of A and B will be 5 and 4 respectively. And since we got the efficiencies of A and B, so we can easily get the efficiency of C. So that is 1. And here they have given that all of them will be paid 8400, means 5 plus 4 plus 1, that is 10, will be equal to 8400. And we have to find the share of C, that is 1. So that will be equal to 840. Next question. Ratio of the age of H and I is 3:5 respectively, and the age of A is 14 years more than the age of I. If the age of H is 12 years, find the ratio between the I and A respectively. So initially they had given the ratio between the age of H and I, that is 3:5. So let's take it as 3x and 5x. And they also mentioned that the age of H is 12 years. If 3x is 12 years, then 5x will be 20. And also they have mentioned in the question that the age of A will be 14 years more than that of I. And here we got the age of I as 20 years, and this A will be 14 years more than I. That is, the age of A will be 34. Okay, and they asked the ratio between the I and A respectively. So I is 20 and here A will be 34. So after simplifying this, we will get 10:17. So that's it for today. I'm done with my daily 5 arithmetic questions. So please do like and subscribe for more videos like this, and thanks for watching.